Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video is going to be a clean with me. James does make his appearance in this cleaning video. He was helping me, so thank you for your help, James. I appreciated it. Also, he does some pretty awesome dance moves, so stick around and see those. It's pretty funny. You won't want to miss it. But I also did want to go ahead and just mention that this is a collab with Sharon. So if you enjoy cleaning videos, definitely go ahead and check out her video. She is also doing a clean with me, and I will have her video link in the description box. And I also want to mention, if you are coming over from Sharon's channel, I'm sorry. Hello, my name's Shyla, and I make mostly mom and lifestyle content. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, let me know, and I can definitely get to know you guys. But I am going to go and let you guys enjoy the cleaning video. I will see you in my next one. Bye. So here I'm just picking up the living room. I'm going to go ahead and fix the couch, sweep, straighten the toys up, and yes, I do have Levi in his pack and play because when I sweep, he likes to chase the dirt pile around, and it's just a little bit easier to put him in the pack and play with Thomas the Train on. And here I'm just going to spray my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner and wipe off the tables. And yes, I do keep our printer and Levi's bumbo seat under the table just because those are two things that we used often. And that's kind of where they just get put. And this particular night, James was helping me do the dishes and also helping me with dinner. So I took the time to straighten up the kitchen and just kind of clean and take care of everything that had been built up over the weekend. So this next clip coming up was way too funny to edit out, so I had to leave it in here. This is what he gets for dancing like that in front of the camera. Also, no, James doesn't leave his pants like that. He was just doing yard work, so he rolled them up when he came in the house. So now that we are done with dinner and getting the kitchen clean, I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up the bathroom. This particular night was a bath night, so I'm just cleaning up the toys, and then I work on the counters and straightening those up. Also, I do get asked, is my mirror mounted on the wall? And no, it is not. This is just a temporary mirror, so I did not want to mount it on the wall. So it is just sitting on our countertops. So that completes this clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. I'll see you in the next one.